Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vanguard Coin in Mobile Legends. These special coins are an exclusive in-game currency found only on the advanced server, a place for testing new features. Their main function is to provide players with a unique way to acquire valuable in-game diamonds. Understanding their use can significantly enhance your gaming experience and unlock many exciting opportunities. Acquiring Vanguard coins is straightforward if you play on the advanced server. You can earn them by completing various daily and weekly tasks. These often include simply logging into the game, playing a specific number of matches in classic, ranked, or brawl modes, and achieving victories. Consistent participation ensures a steady supply of these valuable coins. The core benefit of Vanguard coins lies in their direct exchange for diamonds. These diamonds are a premium currency, vital for engaging in special events, acquiring new heroes, or purchasing exclusive skins. For instance, 50 Vanguard coins can be converted into diamonds, offering a cost-effective way to boost your in-game resources without direct purchases. To truly maximize your Vanguard coin benefits, consistently engage with the advanced server's daily and weekly tasks. This ensures a continuous flow of coins for diamond conversion. Use your acquired diamonds strategically for event draws, securing new heroes, or grabbing those coveted skins. Plus, playing on the advanced server gives you a sneak peek at upcoming game updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.